Welcome to Nature Explorers, another day, another story. In this new video we will talk about the Mediterranean Sea. The Mediterranean Sea is a large body of water located between Europe to the north, Africa to the south, and Asia to the east. It covers an area of approximately 965,000 square miles, 2.5 million square kilometers. The Mediterranean Sea has a subtropical climate, with hot, dry summers and mild, rainy winters. The water temperature ranges from around 15 degrees Celsius, 59 degrees Fahrenheit, in winter to 28 degrees Celsius, 82 degrees Fahrenheit, in summer. It is home to a rich diversity of marine life, with over 17,000 species identified to date. This includes more than 1,000 species of fish, as well as dolphins, whales, sharks, turtles, and numerous species of invertebrates. The Mediterranean Sea has a high number of endemic species, meaning species that are found only in the Mediterranean and nowhere else in the world. These include the Mediterranean monk seal, the basking shark, and the red coral. The Mediterranean Sea is located in a geologically active region, and is surrounded by numerous tectonic plates. This has led to the formation of many geological features, including volcanoes, earthquakes, and mountain ranges. The Mediterranean Sea has played a major role in the history and culture of Europe, Africa, and the Middle East. It has been a center of civilization since ancient times, and has witnessed the rise and fall of numerous empires and cultures. Today, it is home to a rich and diverse cultural heritage, including Greek, Roman, Phoenician, and Arab influences. The Mediterranean Sea is a partially enclosed body of water, which means that it has limited water exchange with the Atlantic Ocean. This can lead to issues with water circulation, and can also affect the sea's overall water quality. The Mediterranean Sea is one of the saltiest bodies of water in the world, with a salinity level that is around 40% higher than the average ocean. This is due in part to its limited water exchange with the Atlantic Ocean, as well as its hot, dry climate, which leads to high rates of evaporation. The Mediterranean Sea has been an important center of trade and commerce for thousands of years. Today, it is home to many major ports and shipping routes, and is an important source of seafood, tourism, and other economic activities. The sea is also dotted with numerous islands, some of which are major tourist destinations, such as Ibiza, Majorca, and Sardinia. The Mediterranean Sea is a major tourist destination, with millions of visitors flocking to its beaches, islands, and historic sites every year. This tourism industry is an important source of revenue for many Mediterranean countries, but it can also lead to issues with overcrowding, environmental degradation, and cultural erosion. The Mediterranean Sea is facing many threats, including pollution, overfishing, and habitat destruction. These threats are putting many marine species at risk of extinction, including some of the most iconic species of the Mediterranean, such as bluefin tuna, swordfish, Mediterranean monk seal and sea turtles. In an effort to protect the Mediterranean's unique biodiversity, numerous marine protected areas, MPAs, have been established throughout the sea. These MPAs help to preserve important habitats and species, and also provide opportunities for scientific research and ecotourism. Overall, the Mediterranean Sea is a complex and dynamic ecosystem, with a rich history and culture, as well as numerous environmental and economic challenges. It is an important resource for the people who live around it, and it is crucial to work towards sustainable management and conservation practices in order to preserve this unique and valuable body of water. By working together to address these challenges, we can help ensure that our planet remains healthy and vibrant for generations to come. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to Nature Explorers today and be transported to a world of adventure, learning, and pure, unadulterated beauty.